39 billion for a ballistic blasting bonanza in Juba. That's what the Ministry of Defense is asking for UPDF operations in Juba. What is the justification for war this time in South Sudan? Are we fighting a war of liberation? Are we fighting a war of consolidation? What exactly is the justification for the war in Juba? The 39 billion would do so much if invested in education, health, and other important things. How many laboratories would you build in USE schools at a cost of 250 billion average per laboratory? Those would be 156 laboratories at the same price of 250 million. If you were to build, to establish maternity wards in health center force, you would build 156 maternity wards. I was looking at an admission list for last academic year for some university, public university, government university in Uganda. There is a course where the government could only afford to sponsor 3 students, only 3. But you are in Juba on a ballistic blasting bonanza, talking about killing Nuers. For what? Do we need their blood? Is it served as social? Is it a soft drink? Is their blood an alcohol? Is it a beverage? What is it? Who needs it? Can we set our priorities right? Look at the levels of unemployment. How many agro-processing industries would we build with 39 billion? Stop being wasteful with your ballistic, blastic bonanzas that are useless, irrational, and unjustified.